Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Dreaded terrorist Yasin Bhatkal stayed in Panaji with Pakistani terrorist, experimented with explosives, planned German bakery blast. Karnataka's aggression continues over Madai project, says we will continue with canal construction as tribunal order does not stop expansion. Irish Rodrigues meets governor on Marriage Act amendment, demands sacking of AG. Goans for Goa plan a legal battle against government. MLA Ganesh Gaonkar's nephew dies in an accident at Shiroda. Goa-bound bus accident at Mahad claims life of drivers from Mapsa and Maharashtra. Churchill brothers face a real relegation threat after 2-0 defeat to United Sports Club. United ensure I-League status. And over 500 young national athletes set to ignite Bamboli Athletic Stadium. Goa Athletic Association's maiden national championship opens on Sunday. Now news in detail. National Investigating Agency in its charge sheet has disclosed that dreaded terrorist Yasin Bhatkal visited Goa twice. NIA has filed a charge sheet against Yasin Bhatkal before special court in Delhi. The charge sheet also discloses that Yasin Bhatkal had established his hideout and experiment center in Panaji. He and 2 terrorists from Pakistan not only hid in the state safely but also experimented with explosives and planned the German bakery blast in Pune.
NIA in its charge sheet against Yasin Bhatkal discloses that Yasin Bhatkal, Asadullah Akhtar, Tahsin Akhtar and explosive expert Pakistani terrorist Waqas executed a serial blast in Mumbai on 13 July 2011. Working in separate units, they planted bomb at Zaveri Bazar, Opera House and Kabutar Khana in Mumbai. After the blast, different investigating agencies had intensified the hunt for Indian Mujahideen's terrorists. In November 2011, several Indian Mujahideen's operatives were arrested from Darbhanga, Bihar. Yasin Bhatkal too was operating from Darbhanga, but before police could reach to him, he along with his close aide Irshad Khan alias Chacha left to Chennai. On 27 November 2011, Irshad was arrested from their hideout in Chennai, but Yasin Bhatkal succeeded to escape from there. From Chennai, Yasin reached to Uttar Pradesh, but he did not stay at any spot for more time. He kept travelling from one place to another and finally in Goa. In December 2011, Yasin reached to Goa. Yasin stayed in Panjim at residence of Mohammad Saeed. Mohammad had a shoe shop near Panaji bus stand. Yasin had come to Goa to evade his possible arrest, but he soon started activating his terror network. He convinced one Imtiaz to work with him. Immediately, Yasin got information that Pakistani terrorist Waqas and Asadullah Akhtar were also staying secretly in Goa. Senior Indian Mujahideen commander Riyaz Bhatkal arranged a meeting of Waqas, Tabriz and Yasin. After this meeting, Yasin stayed in Goa for more 7-8 days and he left to Ranchi in Jharkhand.
Yasin Bhatkal's first visit to the state was a short visit, but he understood that Goa is a safe place for him. He left the state after 7-8 days. But a new terror plan was cooked up in a meeting with Waqas and Tabriz. It was planned to target German bakery in Pune. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
In spite of interim order by the tribunal, Karnataka has shown aggression in Madai water dispute matter. Karnataka is continuing its work to connect the river canals. Karnataka was ordered by the tribunal to block the canal with concrete blocks and not to divert a single drop of water until further orders. Karnataka says tribunal has not stopped their canal expansion work, so they are continuing with it.
On Thursday, Madai Tribunal had ordered Karnataka to put a concrete blockade on their canals, thereby making it difficult for them to divert any water from Madai River to Malaprabha Basin. but Karnataka is in no mood to listen to tribunal. Instead of putting concrete blockade, they are continuing with canal expansion work. Advocate of Karnataka Mohan Katarki says the order of the tribunal is interim. He says they are abiding with the order of the tribunal and they are not diverting the water of Madai. He says tribunal has not stopped the canal building work.
कोर्ट का ऑर्डर में काम तो बंद करने के नहीं है, काम को चालू रहता है। इस जिस टाइम बारिश आता है ना, बारिश से वाटर के पास नहीं आने के लिए वो टेम्परेरी बंद बना के लिए ऑर्डर दिए, इससे जिसमें छोड़ दिए। काम तो चालू होता है, काम तो चालू रहता है। सर के पास मई तक है ना कंप्लीट करने की आदत है। उसके पहले हम कर दो जगह में है वो काम करेंगे।
Member of Madai Bachao Abhiyan Rajendra Kerkar says Karnataka is showing aggression and continuing with canal work.
ट्रायब्युनलान कितें सांगला की पाणी वळोवं नाका आनी त्याचो उपयोग करूंक नाका, ह्यो दोन गजाली आमी करचे ना आनी आमकां तेंच्यांनी खंयच काम जे आसा हें थारयात अशें सांगूंक ना आनी तेका लागून हे काम जे आसा हे काम चालूच उरताले, ते आमी बंद करचे ना अशें तेंच्यांनी स्पश्ट केलें.
Meanwhile, here in Goa, Congress has challenged BJP to show documentary evidence that Digambar Kamath government had given any NOC to Karnataka to divert the water of Madai for drinking purpose.
We would like to challenge the Chief Minister to make the NOC public because there was no such NOC given by the previous government. जे सरकारान पयलीं चालू केल्ले तेच ह्या गव्हर्मेंटान मुखार व्हेला. हायकोर्ट सुप्रीम कोर्टान फक्त गोंयचो AG आसा, whereas Karnataka is having the battery of lawyers they are keeping ready, and still now as per media reports today work is still going on. So we request the government to go full in hand with the legal team. Second thing, please take help of Maharashtra government because Maharashtra also was made party to this because of one of the tributary of Madai comes from Chandangarh, if I am not mistaken.
Our reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Advocate Iris Rodriguez has demanded that Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni should be sacked. He has alleged AG of facilitating and allowing marriage of former Solicitor General of India, Harish Salve's daughter, to be illegally registered in Goa under the Special Marriage Act. Goa for Goans, an NGO, has also opposed this amendment in the Marriage Act. They have warned of legal action.
I've explained to the Honorable Governor that Atmaram Nadkarni has lost all moral authority to continue as the Advocate General of Goa. Harish Salve's daughter, in her notice of marriage given to the Panaji office, has shown the residence of Advocate General as her residence, that she was staying here for the last 6 months, which is totally false. It's a false declaration. I've requested the Governor to direct the officers to register an FIR against all those who have made false statements in this case, and also against Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni for his dubious role in this whole matter.
On the other side, Goans for Goa has opposed the amendments in the Marriage Act by the government. Such a law will not be beneficial to Goans. The organization has planned to fight a legal battle against it.
This Special Marriage Act, I think, was brought in to favor somebody. It does not help Goans as such. Goans for Goa has made are making Goans aware of this issue. If need be, we will take and challenge this law in the court of law, because we strongly feel that this Special Marriage Act is not required in Goa.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.